In this video, I'm going to show you how to make incoming calls full screen and sounds off. With this feature, every time someone calls, the call alert will be displayed on full screen. To do this, simply navigate to Phone Application. In Phone Application, locate the More options, which is represented by three dots on the right corner of the screen. In here, select the option for Settings. In Settings, this will provide you various ways and adjustments on how to modify your call settings based on your preference. Simply locate Call Display while using apps. In here, you can see various options on how to display call every time we are using apps. Since we are talking about full screen, click full screen. And now, we have successfully set incoming calls to full screen. And that's about it. That's how to make incoming calls full screen in Samsung. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.